Okay, I'll just film the Minka aire not peel. And this fan down there, and I gotta go shut it off. And now I'm gonna film this. 2 Minka ceiling fans. That's one. The Minka aire Volterra and the Minka aire not peel. Yeah. And I thought with that and here it is. This is on medium right now. And I'll go turn the light on. And I'll turn it on low and then I'll turn it on high. And it makes a noise quite a bit on reverse. I'll have this light on so you can see the speeds. Here it is on low. I'm going to shut the light off because it's like all you can see. Oops. Oops. Now I will turn it on high. This is the thing. But we might get this replaced, but and I don't know when, but soon. Hope. See, could you even hear a noise? I don't know if you can hear. But anyway, I'm gonna film. Here it is. The Minka. And yeah. And it will take, yeah. And I will see what speed I will put on first. And here's outside. It's been raining outside today. But so there might be and there was a huge storm. Another storm last night. Okay, and I'll put it on medium right now. Let me get some light on to see, so you can see with the, oh wait, a light must be on right here. Okay, so, and this fan over here is slowing down. See? But anyway, yeah, and this wobbles just a tiny bit now. I think it's just, and again, this one has been in the house when I was born. And yeah. again, I think my dad, like, my mom, I think she likes that on medium. But I can't think any. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the one out there. Still slowing down. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.